All right, this is how to reset the maintenance required light on a 2013 RAV4. See the maintenance required light? Cut your vehicle to the on position, hit the display until you get to trip A. Okay, cut it back off. Hold the display. All right, Bowen. Cut it back to the on position. All the way. All right, as you can see, maintenance required light is now off.